That's how you teach them, y'all. You teach them young, as a kid. Never too early to teach them. Turn back my way some too. There you go. Keep them jackknifing. Turn it. All right. You're doing good. Keep it straight for a minute. Give it a little more horsepower. Go a little faster. Turn towards that way some. Turn that way some. There you go. Arrow back down. There you go. All right, start turning back the other way. Turn back towards the other way. There you go. Don't hit my baby in that ball. Turn that thing, ball. Good job. All right, you're gonna be good right there with it. Just shut it off now. You'll be good right there. Hold on. Air it down some. All right, you can shut it off now. Shut it off. There you go. Good job. You got it out. Turn your key off or your battery don't go dead. You got to turn it first. It's still on. Turn it back my way. Huh? It's kind of hard. It is kind of hard.